60 Minutes Overtime.
This week on 60 Minutes, we report on Care Court, a government program in California on track to cost the state billions. The new law allows someone who has an untreated psychotic disorder to be referred to civil court, where a judge can order that person to undergo a mental health treatment plan. Supporters see Care Court as a way to combat homelessness and make the state safer. But more than 50 advocacy groups are critical, including the ACLU of Southern California, where Eve Garrow is a homelessness policy analyst. She told us she's concerned about Care Court's impact on communities of color.
We know that Black people will be disproportionately impacted by Care Court.
How so?
Black people are disproportionately represented amongst the unhoused population in California, and therefore they will be more likely to be targeted by Care Court. Black people also are disproportionately falsely diagnosed with schizophrenia, and therefore they're more likely to fit the profile of folks who are going to be referred to Care Court.
Care Court is set to launch this fall. We asked California Governor Gavin Newsom whether the plan could harm the state's most vulnerable. People of color, you know this, are overrepresented in the homeless community. There is a fear that they're going to be disproportionately affected by Care Court.
Good.
Explain that.
I hope we're taking care of people. I hope we're taking care of the most vulnerable. And they happen to be Black, brown, they have to be overrepresented, women, men. Whoever needs the help, I hope they're taken care of. So to the extent it reflects the reality on the streets in terms of the care, I don't see that as a particular negative thing. I think that's a wonderful thing.
This is a really big gamble. You sound pretty confident it's going to work.
No, I have absolute confidence that if we don't do this, nothing will fundamentally change in this space. And so that I know, I don't think.